Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to insert header and footer to your worksheet before you take a printout in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here. So currently this file doesn't have any header or footer applied to it. So let us see how the print preview will look like. So I'll click on this print preview button over here. So as you can see, there is no date, title, or page number. There is nothing other than the data. So click on this arrow to come back. So to insert the header or footer to your worksheet, we have to come to the page layout tab here. Under the page layout tab, you can see this page setup panel here. You can actually work with the print titles option from here, but it is better to come to this arrow and open this dialog box named as page setup. So here in the page setup dialog box, the third option here, header or footer, click on that. So here you can click on the custom header. So you'll see a new dialog box named as header. So here you can see three boxes, left section, center section, and right section. So in the center section, you can type in the title. In this case, I'll type in Premier League. And in the right section, you can type in the data that you want, but you can easily select one of the attributes available over here. So these are the icons. They are different kind of attributes. For example, this is the time, this is the date, this is the sheet number. So these are the most commonly used attributes. So keep your cursor in the right section, click on the date here. In the same way, now keep the cursor in the left section and click on the sheet number or page number. So now click on OK. Now click on print preview. So now as you can see the title, you can see the date, and you can see the page number. If you come to the second sheet, again it is there. Third sheet it is there. Fourth sheet it is there. So you got an idea, right? So now come back, come to the same dialog box, come to the header or footer. So in the same way, you can customize the footer by clicking on the custom footer. You will see a same kind of dialog box with the name called footer. The same three boxes available here and the attributes also available here. And now let us see the sheet option here. Now let me just click on the print preview here. So in the first sheet, we have the column title in the green color. You can see the titles there: player, team, role, goal, seat, and assist. For each column, there is a title. But if you come to the second sheet, it is not there. In the third sheet, it is not there. But in case if you want to have the column title in each pages, what you have to do is now come back, come to the page setup dialog box, come to the sheet, rows to repeat at the top. Place your cursor over here. So this is the row that I want to have repeated in every pages, the third row. So select it using a cursor. Just come to the number 3 and click over there. So it gets selected here. Now click on print preview. So this is the first sheet. Second sheet, the titles are there. Third sheet, titles are there. Fourth, fifth. So in every page you'll get the column titles. So got it right. So I hope you understood the concept of header and footer and the row title. So if you have any doubt, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.